Akile Bolule,
Jamiu Mati,
Jimmy George,
Omulara Mohammed,
Malik Ajibala Sherifuddin,
Akimpelu Oluwatomi Sarah.
I'm a member of JCI Victoria Island. I'm a business service analyst and I'm a JCI entrepreneur.
I'm a photographer and also a web designer. I'm a JCI entrepreneur.
I am a travel consultant, a JCI Victoria Island member. I'm a JCI entrepreneur.
I am a real estate consultant and I am a young entrepreneur.
I am the CEO of Stefcom Multiple Ventures, where we produce a nutritious and a pocket-friendly rice for the populace. I'm a JCI entrepreneur.
I'm a JCI member at the University of Lagos. I'm also a JCI entrepreneur. I weave hairs, I make beautiful braids, I make first natural hair. Anything hair, you can trust me on that.
Spotlight by JCI Nigeria's Creative Young Entrepreneurs Award in partnership with Nigeria Britain Association, Skib Nigeria and Company Limited, and FBN General Insurance.
My name is Moraki Goodness, the founder of Valentia School in Ibadan, Nigeria. Valentia School is a correctional institution for ages between 1 and 16 years of age, founded in September 2011. And here is the gist. After a first degree in engineering, the question people ask me is, why do you venture into the sector of education in Nigeria at large? And I told them this. I spent 8 years in secondary school, attended 4 different secondary schools for 8 years, and not as if I was failing, I never failed. My parents kept looking for the right school, so I ended up finishing in the last school. That was the 4th school in my during my secondary school education at the School of Science in Nigeria, and I quite understood what my mother wanted in a school. 3 years after university degree, I thought of going back to that sector and establishing a school that would answer parents, that would ensure parents will not need to look around for schools again. For us at Valentia School, 3 things is quite important. 1 has to do with the quality of infrastructures on ground. 2 has to do with the quality of faculty that we have in terms of the strength of the teaching force. Then the 3rd thing is the style of management of the school, or leadership of the school. Valentia School is located in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria, and can be contacted through mobile number of 080-355-07094, and can also be checked online at www.valentiaschools-ng.com.